Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of home theater with a look at the top 5 best ultra-short throw projectors of 2024. These amazing devices offer massive screen sizes without the need for a bulky setup. So, whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just want to upgrade your living room experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 5. ViewSonic X2000B. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ViewSonic X2000B. This projector offers excellent value for money with impressive picture quality and a range of features. It's a great choice for those looking to enter the world of UST projectors without breaking the bank. Key features: 4K UHD resolution, 2000 lumens brightness, cinema supercolor technology, built-in Harman Kardon speakers, easy setup with warping and 4-corner adjustment. The X2000B delivers a solid performance for its price point, offering vibrant colors and decent contrast. While it might not match the high-end models in terms of brightness or features, it's a great option for budget-conscious consumers who want a large screen experience. Number 4. Samsung, the Premier. Ultra Short Throw, 4K UHD. Moving up to number 4 is the Samsung the Premier. This projector combines stunning picture quality with a sleek, modern design. With its ambient mode, you can transform your living room into an art gallery when not in use. Key features: 4K UHD resolution, 2200 lumens brightness, smart TV powered by Tizen, ultra short throw design, 2.2 channel speaker system. The Premier is a stylish and feature-rich projector that delivers an immersive viewing experience. Its smart TV capabilities and built-in speakers make it a convenient choice for many users. However, the price point might be a deterrent for some. Number 3. Optoma HZ40HDR. Coming in at number 3 is the Optoma HZ40HDR. This projector delivers exceptional HDR performance and accurate colors, making it a great choice for movie enthusiasts. It also offers a good balance of brightness and contrast. Key features: 4K UHD resolution, HDR10 and HLG support, 300,000.1 contrast ratio, Duracore laser light engine, enhanced game mode. The Optoma HZ40HDR is a strong contender for gamers and movie lovers alike. Its HDR performance and low input lag make it a great option for those who prioritize picture quality and responsiveness. Number 2. LG CineBeam Q HU710PB 4K. Taking the second spot is the LG CineBeam Q HU710PB 4K. This projector offers a fantastic combination of picture quality, features, and user-friendliness. With its compact design and smart TV capabilities, it's a versatile option for any home theater setup. Key features: 4K UHD resolution, 500 ANSI lumens brightness, WebOS smart platform, auto screen adjustment, compact and portable design. The LG CineBeam Q HU710PB 4K is a great choice for those who value portability and convenience. Its compact size and smart TV features make it a versatile option for various settings. While the brightness might not be as high as some competitors, it still delivers a solid performance. Number 1. Hisense PX2 PRO Trichroma Ultra Short Throw. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Hisense PX2 PRO. This projector delivers an unparalleled viewing experience with its incredible brightness, accurate colors, and advanced laser technology. If you're looking for the ultimate home theater setup, this is the projector for you. Key features: 4K UHD resolution, 2400 ANSI lumens brightness, Trichroma laser technology, Google TV built-in, exceptional contrast ratio. The Hisense PX2 PRO sets a new standard for ultra-short throw projectors. Its stunning picture quality, combined with advanced features like Google TV, makes it a top choice for demanding viewers. While it comes with a premium price tag, the performance justifies the investment. There you have it, our top 5 best ultra-short throw projectors of 2024. Remember, the best projector for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and room size. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more information and to purchase these amazing products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.